water of Everglades. They don't allow to build more house here.
Uh-huh.
They try to make like state park.
Yeah.
And in front of us we have the Lake Bryan. Usually they do jet ski and water sport. It's a nice place.
Yeah.
Civic Hotel, Volcano Bay southbound.
We fly 700 feet, less than 100 knots.
Okay.
On the left we have the 535. And it's coming up on your sides, the biggest Marriott hotel in the world.
That's what I hear.
2,000 rooms with a private golf course and water park.
Yeah. I've played the golf course before.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. This is the Lake Bryan on the right. Seven Hotel Springs, 700 to Blizzard. And this is the Disney Springs. The Blue Balloon is the only ride.
Civic Hotel, Convention Center for Springs.
It always surprises people how close it is.
Yeah,
'Cause it feels longer when you drive.
exactly. And we fly over the I-4 as usual, traffic all the time. Rainforest Cafe. The boat is the seafood restaurant.
Yeah.
Saratoga Resort in front of us with a nice golf course. The white tent is the famous Circle de Salé. And the parking is free, you can come anytime. You don't have to pay tickets, it's like boardwalk.
Yeah. I go all the time.
It's a nice place, I love the Irish pub there. Typhoon Lagoon on the left, now they do maintenance, it's empty. And we are going to fly over Caribbean Beach, Caribbean Resort in front of us. And we have Epcot on the right, in the middle of the lake. They do the fireworks every night. It's a very nice show. A restaurant from all over the world, England, America, Mexico. It looks small, but you need at least 2 hours to walk around.
Oh, yeah.
Next park is going to be Hollywood Studio, Tower of Terror, and Star Wars, all the corner on the left. It's one of the biggest parking lot in the United States. They can fit 11,000 cars. Swan and Dolphin Resort, very beautiful, 5-star. Coronado Resort, and straight ahead, Animal of Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom is 3 miles to the right, the castle.
Oh, okay.
It's a TFR, they don't allow helicopter.
Yes. Okay.
Going to do extra loop for it.
All right.
They have a very cool ride, Expedition Everest. Behind we can see the Tree of Life.
Right.
The safari, it's amazing.
Yeah, somebody called out they were doing Animal Kingdom, and I don't see them.
It's back there, the other helicopter. They came from the Hollywood. This is the cool ride. Pandora, it's another one straight ahead. Seven Hotel, Animal of Kingdom, 800, back to Gaylord. Margaritaville, it's very close to the right here.
Yes.
And we are going to fly very close to the Blizzard Beach, one of the most beautiful water park. Coming on the left. Another helicopter coming, it's 9 o'clock.
Oh, see. I see him.
I love the lazy river here. 7 Hotel Blizzard, take 100 the Gaylord.
Well, they're actually open.
The backside of the Star Wars.
Yeah.
And we are heading next to the ESPN. This is the most famous sports center in the United States. They do a lot of cheerleader competition and soccer competition, especially the weekends.
I saw the Atlanta Braves play here once. They used to use this for spring training, but they moved.
Yeah. They used to do the NBA games during the COVID in the yellow buildings. Two more resorts on the left, Animational, the first, and Pop of Century. And the zip line is connect you with Epcot and Hollywood Studio.
Civic Hotel, All-Stars for Old Town.
Now we're crossing again the I-4 road. And in front of us we have Gaylord Palm, one of the most expensive resorts around here.
Have you been inside there?
Yes, it's amazing.
Yeah, to see the ship.
And I saw also the gators. They have baby gators.
Really? Wow, I didn't see that part.
7 Hotel Gaylord to Orange.
I've been to a convention there once.
It looks so big inside.
They do a big deal for Christmas there.
7 Hotel turning right to Old Town, 500 feet. Let's go Old Town and I will turn left turn to have the clear view. It's a fun spot mostly for kids here. Roller coaster, go-kart.